what's in here? Cut it. Hi guys, and welcome back again. I'm from town. I just bought some few stuff. I'm just gonna unpack right now. And also, guys, I've got something from Pep. I bought myself some slippers. It was only 60 rand. Yep. I had to replace my face cloth from Ackermans. It was 44.95. Obviously, my exfoliating gloves. It was 16.99. Sorry, 16.99 from Pep. And had to replace my toothbrush. It was only 14.95 from Ackermans. And had to try this hand and nail cream Bramley brand. I love Bramley products, so I had to try this hand and nail cream, and it smells so divine. It smells so nice, guys. And I had to treat myself to this. This is definitely my favorite chocolate. If you follow me on Instagram, if you're on my WhatsApp, you know I definitely buy this a lot. And yeah, had to also replace my mouthwash. This whitening mouthwash from Clicks. It's a Clicks brand. Also had to buy some pocket tissues. Yeah, they help me a lot. Had to buy this toilet blocks. It's also Clicks brand. I hope this smells nice. I bought it for my toilet. Also bought this also Heavenly Sensation vanilla body spritzer. I love it. Obviously, there are those days that you don't want to use any cologne, and I had to buy my soap because I also bought this mayo gel. I have too much gas, so this thing helps me a lot. It relieves gastric acidity and peptic ulcers. So yeah. Also from Clicks, it was 39 rand. I'm so tired. I hope my sister cooked. Woo! I almost forgot. I received a package. I can't really wait to see what's inside, but I think it's my perfumes. But hey, we'll just see. Yeah, guys. I will speak with you guys. I just changed to this crop top. It's from one of our own Kasi fashion designer. How do I open this one? Ooh, can you take a smell? Yo. Hi guys, please check your girl's fragrance. PM. I almost broke. Let's see. Want to purchase? I will leave my WhatsApp business WhatsApp contact on my description there. And only PM. Again. Yes, guys, please check it out. Please make sure you get yourself a bottle. We also have testers for those who want to test before they can purchase.